In this video, we covered the Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine complete review. The Brother PE800 is a top choice for embroidery enthusiasts who seek a balance of functionality, ease of use, and creative freedom. Designed with both beginners and seasoned embroiderers in mind, this machine stands out in the market for its large embroidery area, intuitive interface, and extensive design options. Whether you're looking to personalize home decor, create unique gifts, or start a small embroidery business, the Brother PE800 has the features you need to bring your creative ideas to life. Key features of the Brother PE800. Number 1. Generous embroidery area. The Brother PE800 offers a large 5 by 7 inches embroidery field, providing ample space for more complex designs. This size is particularly beneficial for larger projects like jacket backs, quilt squares, or intricate monograms, allowing you to work on more substantial pieces without the need to rehoop your fabric frequently. Number 2. Extensive built-in designs and fonts. This machine comes with 138 built-in designs, including florals, borders, and holiday patterns, giving you plenty of creative options right out of the box. Additionally, the 11 built-in fonts, 7 English, 3 Japanese, and 1 Cyrillic, make it easy to add personalized text to your projects. Whether you're creating custom towels, adding names to clothing, or crafting unique gifts, the variety of designs and fonts ensures that you have the tools to match any style. Number 3. Color touchscreen display. The Brother PE800 features a large, full-color touchscreen display that simplifies the design process. This intuitive interface allows you to preview your designs in color, make on-screen edits, and adjust settings with just a few taps. The ability to see your design in full color before stitching ensures that your final product matches your vision perfectly. Number 4. USB port for custom designs. One of the standout features of the Brother PE800 is its USB port, which allows you to import custom designs from your computer or online sources. This means you are not limited to the machine's built-in designs. You can bring in any design you like, making the creative possibilities virtually endless. The process is straightforward. Simply load your design onto a USB drive, insert it into the machine, and you're ready to go. Number 5. Automatic needle threader and thread cutter. The Brother PE800 is equipped with an automatic needle threader, saving you time and frustration, especially when working with fine or specialty threads. Additionally, the machine includes an automatic thread cutter, which trims your threads with a single press of a button, ensuring a clean finish to your embroidery work. Pros and cons. Pros. Number 1. Large embroidery field, ideal for larger projects and more intricate designs. Number 2. Extensive design options. 138 built-in designs and 11 fonts provide creative flexibility. Number 3. User-friendly interface. The color touchscreen makes it easy to preview and edit designs. Number 4. USB compatibility. Import your designs for unlimited creativity. Number 5. Automatic features. Needle threader and thread cutter. Streamline the embroidery process. Cons. Number 1. Single needle. Only one color can be embroidered at a time, requiring manual thread changes for multicolor designs. Number 2. Learning curve. Although user-friendly, beginners might need some time to get used to all the features. Price. At a mid-range price point, it may be considered an investment for hobbyists. Price range. The Brother PE800 typically falls within the price range of $700 to $900, depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions. This price point makes it an excellent choice for serious hobbyists and those looking to start a small embroidery business, offering a high level of functionality without breaking the bank. Promote your embroidery business with Digitizing.com. As you explore the creative possibilities with the Brother PE800, remember that high-quality digitizing is crucial for professional results. Visit Digitizing.com for expert digitizing services that bring your designs to life with precision and clarity. Whether you need custom embroidery digitizing, logo digitizing, or vector art conversion, Digitizing.com offers fast, reliable, and affordable services to elevate your embroidery projects to the next level.